Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the price list on the CEWE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and go to the lower bar at the lower side of the screen. Click the third option, the service, and here you can find the second section, the service, and click to the price list, the second option, and you can select the different options, for example photo gifts, and you can check the price of these things, for example the postcards, posters and wall art and others. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.